ki khubor ka batesi TV
ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
I wanna make up right now, see you whining, grinding, all on the floor like that. Oh.
What happening bagi samla pulih jangka school ba North Eastern Hills University. Kidam penlong hingga jingga ki dengan besyak tangan kelembuk por. Vice Chancellor kena school ba ulapan pau bo umla ban shueng kam jubol yo registrar bagi wei namar bayaki la thongkat kum galenti. Habakaran bakilat pathai kubor Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla le thu melarga sarkar gadon jing suba halo ke jing bamyat bet klade ben examen re hadut menta kam shimran kanu ke jing batha naga sarkar naga president jagari India. Halo ke jing dawai ke samla pule bo de ben hiar Shuki Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla la Kren dag Shai bo unum Resaiñ namar baya u la thong naga president jagari India.
All of you are well aware about the agitation which is already going on in the campus of the NEHU. And all of you are also fully aware about the status and role of the NEHU in northeastern part of the country. I received a letter from the non-teaching and also the NEHU for the removal of, and this is a memorandum of the NEHU, Northeastern Hill University Student Union. And he clearly asked about the removal of the registrar, deputy registrar, officer on special duty, director college development council, and guest house in charges. The first question, I would like to mention that removal of the registrar or deputy registrar. In this response, the removal of the registrar, deputy registrar, academic deputy registrar cannot be executed based on the unilateral decision or personal direction. These officials, including the registrar and deputy registrar, were appointed following a thorough screening process and formal interview. Their roles and continuity in the service are governed by due process, not by arbitrary decision from any single authority, including the Vice Chancellor. In the media, associations such as NEHUTA, NEHUSA, and NEHUSU have already brought their concern to the government, including the President of India. If the government suspects any irregularities, including the President of India also, if the government suspects any irregularity, it may be considered forming an inquiry committee to examine the matter. However, as of now, there has been no communication from the Government Ministry or the President Office to Vice Chancellor Office indicating such an action. This is a reality. Till now, it's important to note the termination of the government employees. Services cannot occur without valid and substantial reason. If there are indeed concern or reasons for any such actions, the process would begin with an inquiry, not an immediate termination. Regarding the roles of the OSD, Director College Development Council, I had approached many professors to consider taking the post. However, no one gave their consent. I am still willing to appoint any professor who is ready to work as the Director of College Development Council and as for guest house in charge. Nehu currently faces a shortage of non-teaching staff. All of you are already aware. Advertisement for the non-teaching staff position have already been issued, and although the National Testing Agency, I think all of you might be aware about the National Testing Agency, has declined to conduct the non-teaching recruitment exam, we have proceeded with tendering for alternative agencies. Multiple agencies have shown interest, and once the registrar office opens, currently closed due to protest. These files will move forward, and when the recruitment process is successfully completed, the role of the guest house in charge will naturally conclude and new guest house in charge will appoint. This is the answer of the first question already raised by the different unions. About the appointment of the Pro-Vice Chancellor, you might be remembered my first or second press conference. There is a line in our act. Every Pro-Vice Chancellor. Anyone in position to define this line? And what is the real meaning of the every Pro-Vice Chancellor? A Vice Chancellor can appoint 2 Pro-Vice Chancellor, 1 Pro-Vice Chancellor, or 3 Pro-Vice Chancellor. Nothing is mentioned in our act. At present, Nehu already have one campus, that is in Tura, and another campus, or you can say the constituent college with the name of Pandit Deen Upadhyay, Skill Development College, running in Joy. So at this time, I am not authority to clear that how many Pro-Vice Chancellor can appoint. Either the government can clear, so also wrote a letter, since the discussions with different bodies, I will show you the letter after. And 3 to 4 times, and last letter sent to the Government of India on 4th September 2024. And waiting the reply, clarification from the side of the government. Either government permit us to appoint 2 or 3 or 1 Pro-Vice Chancellor. Still it is not clear. Okay. That's why not yet appointed any Pro-Vice Chancellor. This is our act. Everybody is well aware about our act. Anyone can read, also available on our website. A Vice Chancellor can appoint the Pro-Vice Chancellor. But how many? I also received a letter from the UGC. Kindly minimize the administrative expenses of the university. Was going to appoint 1 or 2 or 3. Definitely, expenses, administrative expenses of the Nehu will increase. The government has the power to clear the thing. Either I will put up and the further, I can again write a letter to the government, kindly clarify the things as soon as possible. As per the present position. Earlier also mentioned that Nehu have 1 campus in Tura and another constituent college is developing in the Joy areas. So government can clear. The Vice Chancellor can appoint 2 Pro-Vice Chancellor, 1 for Tura campus, another for Joy, or 1 for Tura campus and 1 for Silang campus. Or Vice Chancellor can appoint 3 Pro-Vice Chancellor. It's under the domain of the government. No, under my provision, as per the Act, 1 principal is already working there, Professor S.M. Sundu, and she is already doing the well and conducted number of skill development training program in Joy area. I think all of you are also aware about the program already conducted in the Joy areas. Same thing is also under the powers of the Vice Chancellor, put up this matter in the Executive Council, and Executive Council has given the permission till the finalization of the or clearance from the government. You can give a charge, senior professor, give a charge as the campus director to perform the daily activities in Tura areas. And Professor, my one senior professor, she is working there. A reply from the side of the university to non-teaching unions regarding the recruitment. I already clearly mentioned in my deliberation what is the actual position of the recruitment. And second thing, also the non-teaching union asked the promotion, and registrar is already doing that. Once the office is closed, no, we already left the last 25 to about 10 days. Out of 10 days, 5 to 6 working days. Definitely, under the system and rules, registrar office is already doing the work for the promotion of our non-teaching employees. Actually, no. My students are good. They have not even called for the total lockdown of the university.
They did announce.
They did announce in future he can do. Student to student can take their own decisions. But he at present he locked only. Even send a letter to the all head of the department. Professor, kindly stop that. Would like to even show another document that is related to cadre recruitment rules. CRR, I think might be aware about this is a cadre recruitment rules. And all the documents is already available on the website. Anyone can see this document. Under the cadre recruitment rules, first you advertise the position. Accordingly, position we are advertised. After advertisement, constitute a screening committee. As per the rules, a screening committee were constituted. After screening of the application, then another question, constitute a selection committee. Selection committee is constituted. In the selection committee, 5 to 7 members are there, not only 1 member. SC/ST representatives are there. This is under group A positions. Some president of nominee are there, along with the other 2 experts, registrar and deputy registrar. So the interview were conducted not only in front of the Vice Chancellor, in front of the selection committee. And finally, selection committee has taken the decision. Not only the Vice Chancellor, on the recommendation of the experts. Because 2 experts are there who already have the knowledge about the administration and other things. During the time of my joining, I would like to perform my duties as per the Act, institutes and norms of the university. And I do. Except the official work, normally the official works, I think only expended maximum time in my office. And anyone can visit in my way from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Normally sometime also 9:30 p.m. And this is a common experience. You can ask anyone. No, actually, yesterday I made a discussion with the non-teaching association. They are asking all the things. They are agree with the discussions. They are asking in writing. So the registrar office is already closed. So files are there. 2 important things. The first, declaration of the examination date. But without the finalization of the agency, Vice Chancellor cannot declare the date. The committee is already working there, notification and committee already approved, and notification already has been done. Committee after submission of the report or seeing the report of the committee, and discussion with the agency. Out of 6 or 7 applications were received by the university. Among 6, who is ready? Who is already ready to follow the terms, conditions, system, rules of the university to conduct the examination? Then I will be in position to declare some date without discussion and declare any date. No, he is agreeing with my discussion. He is writing the discussion in writing. Okay, I understand. After even final discussion or call off of a strike by the student, definitely it is required. I will give him the in writing also. First thing I would like to even mention 6 important positions in the university: Controller of Examination, Vice Chancellor, Registrar, Finance Officer, Librarian, and University Engineer. And the last is the Director, College Development Council. Out of 6, 3 positions were held by the local people. Librarian, first appointment given by me to the local people as a librarian of the name. Dr. Professor F.R. Sumer. Yeah, F.R. Sumer is looking this. Second is University Engineer. Mr. Lenin. Yeah, Lenin. He is looking the position of the University Engineer. And the third, as in charge, Professor Umdor is helping me for conducting the examination after implementation of the National Education Policy 2020. And he is already doing, all the 3 is already doing today. So out of 6, 3 are the local people. Rest are the thing you can decide कि I am to have pro or anti. I'm not going to say any word, but you can decide. This is the actual position in the university. Actually, this is as per CRR, Cadre Recruitment Rules. This post is under the A category. Only Educative Council have the power to frame the inquiry. Educative Vice Chancellor cannot frame the inquiry. Yes, I can put up the matter in Educative Council. I cannot violate the, who is going to violate the rules? Next time you can also ask the question, in this case you already violated, why not the other case? So and this is, already all the things are mentioned in our removal. Yes, after the removal, because registrar is a tenure position, only the 5 years. Deputy registrars are the regular positions. Okay. Deputy registrars are under the probation period. Before going to even confirm any deputy registrar, this is a common procedure, not only for the deputy registrar, others also. We will definitely follow the same procedure. This can be raised at the time after 2 to 3 months. Okay. Registrar is going to complete near about the 1 year. In the last moment, the people raise a question. He already did his work in last 1 year. And what already happened in the campus, I think might be all of you are also aware. Implementation of the National Education Policy, then changing of the rules and regulations. Some work is still going on. So you can define the ability of the registrar. Like a government, Executive Council can constitute, or government can constitute the committee. Because unions already wrote a letter to the President of India, Prime Minister of India, and also the Secretary Education, or I can say the Minister of Education. Definitely, the government is going to take any decision. I will follow the decision of the government.